Imagine this. You're blowing out the candles on your 18th birthday cake. You've just registered to vote, bought your first lottery ticket, and maybe even signed up for a tattoo appointment. But there's one more adult milestone waiting for you: getting your first credit card. In 2025, that little piece of plastic, or more likely a digital card on your phone, is your ticket to building a solid financial future. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Don't worry, future adults of America, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to unwrap the best credit cards for 18-year-olds in 2025. We'll talk about why you should consider getting a credit card, what to look for in your first card, and I'll give you my top 5 picks that'll have you adulting like a pro in no time. So pause that TikTok, put down your hoverboard, or whatever it is you kids are into these days, and let's dive into the exciting world of credit cards. Trust me, future you will thank me. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Why should an 18-year-old even think about getting a credit card? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First up, building credit history. Your credit score is like your financial report card, and the earlier you start building it, the better. A good credit score can help you snap up better rates on loans, apartments, and even affect job prospects in some fields. Next, it's a crash course in financial responsibility. Learning to manage a credit card early teaches you valuable lessons about budgeting, spending wisely, and paying bills on time. Skills that'll serve you well throughout your life. Then there's the rewards aspect. Many cards offer cash back or points on your everyday spending. It's like getting a little bonus just for buying the things you need anyway. Credit cards can also serve as a backup emergency fund. While it's always best to have actual savings, a credit card can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. Lastly, and the most important reason, credit cards offer better fraud protection than debit cards. If someone steals your debit card info, they can drain your bank account. With a credit card, you're not on the hook for fraudulent charges. Now that we've covered the why, let's talk about what to look for in your first credit card. Here are the key factors to keep in mind. First and foremost, no annual fee. When you're just starting out, there's no need to pay for the privilege of having a credit card. Plenty of great options out there come with 0 annual fees. Next, consider the credit score requirements. As a newbie to the credit world, you'll want to look for cards that accept low or no credit history. Don't worry, we'll cover some great options later in the video. Think about rewards that align with your spending habits. Are you a foodie who eats out a lot? Look for cards with dining rewards. Online shopping addict? Consider cards with e-commerce perks. Credit building features are crucial. Some cards offer free credit score access, credit education resources, or even credit limit increases after a few months of responsible use. A low APR or 0% interest APR offer can be best, especially if you might need to carry a balance occasionally. But remember, the goal is always to pay in full each month. Lastly, keep an eye out for additional perks tailored to students or young adults. Some cards offer bonuses for good grades, streaming service credits, or cell phone insurance. Remember, your first credit card doesn't need to be your forever card. The goal is to start building credit and learning responsible habits. As your credit improves, you can graduate to cards with even better perks down the line. The Discover It Student Cashback Card is a fantastic option for students looking to dip their toes into the world of credit. This card offers a unique reward structure that can be quite lucrative if used strategically. You'll earn 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories, up to a quarterly maximum of $1,500 in purchases. These categories often include places where students frequently spend, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, and restaurants. For all other purchases, you'll earn a steady 1% cash back. One of the standout features of this card is Discover's Cashback Match. At the end of your first year, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned. This means if you've earned $50 in cash back, Discover will double it to $100. It's like getting a bonus just for using your card. The card also comes with no annual fee, making it accessible for students on a tight budget. Plus, there's a good grades reward, a $20 statement credit each school year your GPA is 3.0 or higher for up to 5 years. For students worried about their lack of credit history, Discover is known to be more lenient in their approval process. They also provide free FICO credit scores, helping you track your credit building process. While the rotating categories can be a bit complex to keep track of, they offer a great opportunity to maximize rewards. Just remember, the goal is to use the card responsibly, not to overspend for the sake of rewards. In my opinion, with its student-friendly features and generous rewards, the Discover It Student Cashback Card is an excellent choice for young adults starting their credit journey. The Capital One SavorOne Student Cash Rewards Credit Card is tailor-made for students who love to eat out, enjoy entertainment, and stream their favorite shows. This card offers a straightforward and generous reward structure that aligns well with many students' lifestyles. With this card, you'll earn 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores. This covers a wide range of common student expenses, from grabbing a pizza with friends to subscribing to Netflix or stocking up on dorm room snacks. For all other purchases, you'll earn a solid 1% cash back. There's no limit on how much you can earn, and your rewards never expire as long as your account is open. One of the best features of this card is that it comes with no annual fee, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious students. It also doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, which is perfect if you're planning to study abroad or travel internationally. Capital One offers CreditWise, a free credit monitoring service that helps you keep track of your credit score and alerts you to any changes. This can be invaluable as you're starting to build your credit history. The card does require you to be a student to apply, but Capital One is generally welcoming to those with a limited credit history. As you use the card responsibly over time, you may be eligible for a higher credit limit, which can help improve your credit utilization ratio. Remember, while the rewards are enticing, the primary goal should be to use the card responsibly and build good credit habits. Pay your balance in full each month, and you'll be on your way to a strong financial future. The Chase Freedom Student Credit Card is an excellent entry point into the world of Chase credit cards, known for their valuable Ultimate Rewards points system. This card is designed specifically for students with features that encourage responsible credit use and reward good financial habits. With this card, you'll earn a flat 1% cash back on all purchases. While this may seem modest compared to some other cards, the simplicity makes it easy to understand and use, especially for first-time cardholders. There's no need to keep track of rotating categories or remember which purchases earn more rewards. One of the standout features of this card is its bonus structure. You'll get a $50 bonus after making your first purchase in the first 3 months of account opening. Additionally, for the first 5 years, you'll receive a $20 good standing reward on your account anniversary each year that your account remains in good standing. Chase also incentivizes responsible credit use by offering a credit limit increase after you make 5 monthly payments on time within 10 months of account opening. This can help improve your credit utilization ratio, a key factor in credit scores. This card comes with no annual fee, making it accessible for students on a budget. You'll also get free and unlimited access to your credit score through Chase Credit Journey, helping you track your credit building progress. As part of the Chase ecosystem, this card can be a stepping stone to more rewarding Chase cards in the future. Once you've built up your credit, you might be eligible for cards like the Chase Freedom Flex or Chase Sapphire Preferred, which offer more robust rewards. The Petal 2 Visa Credit Card is a unique offering in the credit card market, designed specifically for those new to credit. What sets this card apart is its use of alternative data in the application process. Instead of solely relying on traditional credit scores, Petal may consider other factors. Petal may also consider factors like your income, savings, and spending patterns to determine your eligibility. This card starts you off with 1% cash back on eligible purchases right away. But here's where it gets interesting. If you make 12 on-time monthly payments, your cash back rate increases to 1.5% on all purchases. This incentivizes responsible credit use and rewards you for building good habits. True to its name, the Petal 2 card doesn't charge any fees. There's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and no late payment fees. This can provide peace of mind for first-time cardholders who are worried about hidden costs. The card also offers a relatively high credit limit compared to many starter cards, with limits ranging from $500 to $10,000 based on creditworthiness. A higher limit can help keep your credit utilization ratio low, which is beneficial to your credit score. Petal provides a mobile app that includes budgeting tools and credit education resources. You can track your spending, set up alerts, and learn more about how credit works, all of which can help you manage your finances more effectively. While the Petal 2 card doesn't offer the flashy rewards of some other cards, its focus on financial responsibility and credit building makes it an excellent choice for young adults just starting their credit journey. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint, and this card is designed to help you go the distance. The Secured MasterCard from Capital One is an excellent option for those who are just starting to build credit or are working to rebuild their credit after past financial difficulties. As a secured card, it requires a security deposit, which then becomes your credit limit. This reduces the risk for the issuer, making it easier for those with limited or poor credit to get approved. What sets this card apart from many other secured cards is its flexible deposit requirement. Depending on your creditworthiness, you may qualify for a $200 initial credit line with a deposit of $49, $99, or $200. This means you could potentially get a higher credit line than your initial deposit, which is rare among secured cards. This card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you build your credit history with responsible use. Capital One also automatically considers you for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months, which can help improve your credit utilization ratio. While this card doesn't offer rewards, it does come with some useful benefits. There's no annual fee, and you'll have access to Capital One's CreditWise service, which allows you to monitor your credit score for free. The card also doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, making it a good option if you plan to travel internationally. One potential downside is the high APR, but this can be avoided by paying your balance in full each month, which is a good habit to develop anyway. Remember, the goal with a secured card is to use it responsibly to build your credit. Make small purchases, pay on time and in full each month, and keep your utilization low. With consistent responsible use, you may be able to graduate to an unsecured card in the future, potentially even getting your deposit back. All right, now that we've covered the best cards, let's talk about how to use them responsibly. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to an excellent credit score in no time. First and foremost, always pay your balance in full and on time. This is the golden rule of credit card use. Set up auto pay if you need to, but never miss a payment. Late payments can seriously damage your credit score. Next, keep your credit utilization low. This is the percentage of your credit limit you're using. Aim to keep it under 30%, but lower is even better. So if your limit is $1,000, try not to carry a balance over $300. Monitor your credit score regularly. Many of the cards we discussed offer free credit score access. Use it. Watch for any unexpected changes and dispute any errors you find. Avoid cash advances like the plague. They often come with high fees and start accruing interest immediately. Just don't do it. Use your card for planned purchases, not impulse buys. A credit card isn't free money, it's a tool. Use it wisely. Be cautious about applying for multiple cards at once. Each application results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Lastly, read the fine print. Understand your card's terms, including fees, interest rates, and reward expiration dates. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistency. But if you follow these tips, you'll be setting yourself up for financial success in the long run. Ready to apply? Here's what you need to know. First, gather your information. You'll need your social security number, address, phone number, and income information. Even part-time or seasonal work counts. Next, decide whether to apply online or in person. Online is usually quicker, but visiting a branch can be helpful if you have questions. Before you apply, use the issuer's pre-qualification tool if available. This does a soft pull on your credit, giving you an idea of your approval odds without affecting your score. When you're ready, submit your application. You might get an instant decision, or it could take a few days. If you're approved, great! Your card should arrive within 7 to 10 business days. If you're denied, don't panic. you can call the reconsideration line to plead your case. Sometimes providing additional information can turn a denial into an approval. If you're still having trouble getting approved, consider becoming an authorized user on a parent's or trusted adult's card. This can help you build credit history without the responsibility of your own account. Remember, rejection isn't personal, it's just a sign that you might need to build your credit profile a bit more before trying again. Let's talk strategy for the future. Your first card is just the beginning of your credit journey. As you use your first card responsibly and your credit score improves, you'll become eligible for cards with better rewards and perks. Here's a general timeline. In the first 6 to 12 months, keep using your starter card responsibly. Pay on time and in full every month. After 12 to 18 months, check your credit score. If it's improved, consider applying for a second card with better rewards. This could be a cashback card if your first was a secured card, or a travel rewards card if you started with a basic cashback card. Now, after 18 to 24 months, start learning about more advanced credit card tactics. This might include maximizing category bonuses, taking advantage of sign-up offers, or exploring travel rewards programs. Once you hit the 2+ years, as your credit profile strengthens, you can start considering premium cards with higher annual fees but better perks. These might offer things like airport lounge access, travel credits, or high-value points. Remember, the key to credit card rewards is only spending what you would anyway. Don't fall into the trap of overspending just to earn points. Oh, and once you get your credit journey up and running, want to find out how to manage this money like the 1%? Check out my other videos here.